In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group in Zoho Mail. A group lets you email several people at once with a single address and keep related conversations organized. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can set one up in minutes. First, open your browser and go to mail.zoho.com. Sign into your Zoho Mail account if you aren't already. Make sure you're in the mail interface for the correct workspace or organization. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the small gear icon just beneath the new mail button. That gear opens your mail settings. If your left panel is collapsed, expand it so you can see the icons clearly, then select the gear. Inside settings, choose filters. This brings you to a page where Zoho groups several message management options. From here, scroll down until you find the section labeled groups and click it. You'll land on the groups area where any existing groups are listed and where you can make a new one. Click create to start a new group. A form will open for the details. Begin by entering a clear, descriptive group name. Pick something your team will immediately recognize, like the department, project, or purpose. Consider a short naming convention like project team or location department, so future groups are easy to scan. Then add members. You can search for contacts or paste email addresses, and you can add as many as you need. When adding members, confirm you're using their primary addresses to avoid duplicates. You can separate addresses with commas or add them one by one, whichever is faster. Double check spelling and domains so messages reach the right inboxes. In the description field, add a short note that explains what the group is for. This helps new members understand when to use it and keeps things consistent over time. You can also add a group image. Choose a simple logo, an initial, or a relevant picture that makes the group easy to spot at a glance. Avoid overly detailed images so the icon stays clear at small sizes. When everything looks good, click Create to finalize. Zoho Mail will save your settings and your new group will appear in the list. From now on, you can address mail to this group to reach every member at once, and members can see and respond within the same thread, which keeps communication streamlined. If you don't see groups in settings, check that you're in the correct account and that your permissions allow group creation. Refresh the page after changes and you should be set. That's it, you've created a group in Zoho Mail.